Hi everyone, this is Scott. I hope you're doing alright. This week, I'm going to sketch an environment. It's got a lot of elements, and the perspective's a little tricky, so I'm going to cheat. You can't see them here, but I started with some quick, loose sketches. Once I knew what I wanted, I developed the scene using a 3D program. I use Shaper, but you could use anything you want. The 3D model helped me figure out some difficult perspective on the radar tower. It also allowed me to test out several viewpoints and choose the one that showed everything clearly. And because it's a three-dimensional model, I can also use it to draw the scene from other viewpoints in the future. To bring the 3D model into my sketch, I took a screenshot in Shaper and imported it into Procreate. It went on a bottom layer so that I could draw on top of it. From there, I'll develop it just like any other sketch. The screenshot gives me the rough forms, then I'll add details and texture. For rendering, I'll use 3 value zones. I want this scene to be pretty dark though, so the medium and dark zones will be very close together. The final drawing layer goes on top. It will outline the forms and add some texture as well. I'll finish by adjusting the values using the Levels tool and masking some of the early sketch layers so the final drawing is a little bit tidier. There we go. Thanks everyone. Take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon.